Hi, I'm Travis with 3M Auto Care. One key to a successful body repair is mixing the filler and the hardener properly. This video will give you a few tips to ensure your success.
Your mixing surface should be clean and non-absorbent. You can get a mixing board from 3M or use plastic, glass, or metal. We don't recommend using cardboard as it will absorb the filler. For a typical small dent, use about a 3-inch circle of filler, about a ½ inch thick. If your repair requires more filler, you can always mix more. Knead the cream hardener to prepare it for use. Use a strip of hardener as wide as the filler. Fold and scrape the filler to mix it. Don't stir it in a small circular motion, that adds air which shows up as pinholes in your repair. Mix until the filler is all the same color with no streaks. When using Bondo Body Filler with red cream hardener, a salmon pink color tells you the ratio of filler to hardener is correct. The color will also resemble the color of the Bondo spreader.
Follow these tips to make mixing filler a snap. Now you're ready to apply and sand.